Hey everyone, it is our latest and greatest Tara's must-have. I have to tell you, this is like the deal upon all deals. What's a Tara's must-have? It's an item or a collection that I have curated for all of you that is pretty and practical and purposeful. And when I think of the heart of Temptations, when I think of prepping, cooking, serving, when I think of my mom and I sitting on her kitchen floor and recreating a time saver, a space saver, a family gatherer, this at the heart of it is what I think of. So you can check out what colors we have in our old world and our floral lace over at temp-tations.com, but this, my friends, is amazing. It's an elongated baker, which I love. It's got the helper handles here on the sides. This can be for baking bread and then slicing it, and it can become a bread server, which I love. This is perfect for asparagus, perfect for corn on the cob, perfect for all of those roasts that you love to make. Tuck the potatoes and the vegetables underneath. It goes in the oven up to 500 degrees, which means you can broil in it. It goes in the microwave, it goes in the refrigerator, it goes in the freezer, and the best part, it goes in the dishwasher. We also included our bamboo, what we love to call our lid. Now you can put a lid on it. You like that? But you can also use this as a cutting board. You can also use this as the trivet when you're coming in and out of the fridge or in and out of the freezer, in and out of the oven, the microwave. You get the gist. But here's the deal. When I said this was like a no-brainer, $14.95. This capacity is about 1.5 quarts. Which is fantastic. You have that nice profile here. You have, if you're picking up Old World, the rope detail that runs around. You have the beading if you're picking up the floral lace. But as I mentioned, when you're prepping and cooking and serving and storing, this is going to be your go-to piece. Maybe if it's for a large family, it's your side dish. If it's just the two of you or by yourself, this is going to be your go-to day in and day out. And at $14.95, if you've never tried Temptations before, hello, please do. And if you've been collecting it and loving it, this is going to be such a great addition to your collection. So head on over to temp-tations.com, check out our latest and greatest must-have for $14.95, and you can see what colors we have in both our Old World and our floral lace. And I'm going to leave you with this. Happy cooking, because this is one great deal.